Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and I want to show you how to clean up cache and data on this device. Firstly, swipe at the screen and go to the settings. In it, we look for our app selection, which is right there. And there we have a list of our all application. In it we need to find our application which we want to clear, maybe our Zoom, and after that we press in on it and there we look for our storage selection. And now by this icon we can clear only cache. We press on it and we clear it, or clear all data by this icon, confirm by delete, and we clear all data. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.